Basketball, you know what you came to do. You came to be with the Daily Trainer, and I'm back, baby. You know what time it is. It's time to win. Oh, speaking of win, we continue to win on the gritty grind. My team won. We're in the semis, and we're trying to get to our section championship. What are you doing? You tell me. Hey, looks like basketball, you implementation is working. Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Why not? Let's get started with a little running. Oh yeah, we're going to start off with a liner. You got to be in shape, baby. Yeah, right away. Hey, that liner is to the free throw line, is back. And then it's the half court, is back. Then it's to the free throw line and back to the baseline, and then all the way down to the other baseline and coming back. If you don't have a baseline at home, then find some lines, find some cracks in the street, find that pavement on the sidewalk, find that fire hydrant, whatever you got to run to it, and then get back to its original spot a couple of times, and then we grind, baby. We are going to go right into a little eye and hand coordination with wrapping that ball around our head, around our waist, around our legs. We're doing all the ball wraps. Then we're putting it in between our legs. Then we're wrapping it around our leg, single leg and other leg. So we got our right leg, our left leg, and we're doing it reverse. We're just going to continue to wrap it around for 30 seconds each segment. Okay, so that's going to be our nice warm-up. We're not going to do any type of stretching. We're just going to do that. But we are going to do agilities. Oh, yeah, it's time to get right into the agilities. That's right. We are going to go 2-leg pogos right over the cone. Bouncing, 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 bouncing. Then we're going to go 1 leg right over the cone. Okay, we're bouncing. We got 3 sets of each. Then we're going to go hurdle jumps over the cone as well. We get those knees up. We get them over the cone and we're hopping. Okay, so we got those as well. Then we got our W's where we're going up and then down in between the cone. Up and then down in between the cone. Okay, we're going to do 3 sets of that. We got to get our little defensive DB drills in. You know what I'm saying? Okay, then after that, we're going to pick up that basketball. We're going to shoot 10 free throws. Legs are going to be a little wobbly, so I want you to go to the free throw line and hit some shots. Okay, then after that, we are going to go right into some more agility where we're going over the cones with those quick feet. Okay, we're also going back and forth with our feet. Okay, we're going to go 2 feet hops. Okay, then we're going to go running and planting. So our acceleration, deceleration drill, coming from the baseline, going to the hash mark, coming from the baseline, going to the hash mark, coming from the baseline, going to the 3rd hash mark, and then going to the baseline and sprinting. Then we're going to do that all along with some defensive slides with the same concept. Sliding to the hash mark, sliding back, sliding up to the hash mark, sliding back, slide to the hash mark, boom, turn, go. Okay, that's what we're going to do today. Right away, going hard, going fast as we can. Okay, we are working on footwork and agility to start the day off, and we are also working on a little bit of conditioning. All right, go ahead and go to the side and grab some water. Put it on your face. Don't spill it on the floor because we don't want to slip on the floor. Ready? I'm ready. Oh, you trying to rest? Okay. Well, while you're resting, think about this. Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Why not? Here we go, baby. We're getting back to it. Back once again on the floor. Here we go. And we're looking at, yes, mic and drills. Going to make some quick layups. We're going to see that basketball go in. I want you to focus on the rhythm of this. Okay, so we lay it up. We let it come out. We don't let it drop. We switch it to the next hand. We jump off the right foot. We catch it. And we are working a rhythm. It should be a nice flow in this drill. Okay, you don't want to stop yourself too much. All right, and then we're going to work the reverse micing as well. Reverse micing. Once you've worked that, there's only going to be 2 sets. You're working 10 on each side. Then we're going to work our 1-step layups. Okay, just got to go back to the fundamentals real quick. We're going to make 5 on each side. Then we're going to work our 1-step jump stop layup, 5 on each side. Okay, then we are ready to get after it. All right. From the top, we're going to attack the rim with just 2 basic moves. We're going to go in and out today. Bam. Hit that layup. Then we're going to go crossover, boom, hit that layup. We're going to go 5 times on each side. Then we're going to go with the help defender. So then we're going to hit it with in and out. And then we're going to go with the hesitation. Boom, lay it up. We're going to go on the right and the left side of that. Then we're going to work our crossover. Okay. Then we're going to work our in and out. Boom. And then we're going to lay it up. Okay. So we got 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 on all of those while we go to finish. Okay. So those are pretty simple, pretty easy. We're going to go to the free throw line. We got 10 of those things. 10 of those things are going in. You better believe it. Yes, basketball, it's time to grind. Again, if you're not in the playoffs, don't worry about it. If you didn't win the season, don't worry about it, because you're winning right now. Because who are you competing against? Yourself. And what'd you do yesterday? Nothing, You didn't do anything yesterday. So guess what? You're better than you were yesterday because you're competing today. All right. So you've won today. Let's keep winning. Okay. Knock down those free throws, and then don't go get the water. Let's go ahead and run a quick 10 sideliner. Okay, so usually we call it 17s, but we're just gonna run 10. Okay, you're gonna put it in your left hand. You're going from one sideline to the other. You can go sidewalk to sidewalk. Don't get hit by a car where you live. Okay, or if you are in a park, remember you got the sidelines. If the lines are a little blurry, make up lines. Okay, 10. Put it in your left hand. It counts as 1 when you go across and touch the sideline. It counts as 2 when you come back to the other sideline. 10 total, all right? And then get some drinks after that. Put the water bottle down and let's get rolling again. We're going to go around the world. Yes, around the world shooting, okay? We are going to only do 1 set of that, okay? Remember, you're going to make 3 in each spot. Doesn't have to be in a row. You can challenge yourself a couple different ways, right? When you're in close, you can bank all of them to really work on the touch of your shot. Or you can swish all of them, right? And not move on. However you want to challenge yourself. For those who have been doing it, if this is your first time, you just want to make 3, move to the next spot. What is all around the world? It's basically you're on the block, then you go to the second hash mark, third hash mark, that hash mark right in between the free throw line and the elbow right there. And then you're going to go to the free throw line, and then you'll go to the other hash mark elbow area, hash mark in between, and then the block. Okay. So, and then you go all the way back around. Just wanting to see that basketball go in. That's it. Okay. Then we're going to work on our footwork. Okay, we're going to roll that ball out. We're going to work on the inside step, and we are going to load up and shoot. Now, some people may say, it's better to hop than it is step. At this point in time, I want you just to work on your footwork so that you can feel comfortable with what you feel is correct, right? It doesn't hurt to try both ways. Once you feel what's comfortable for you, then you can continuously do it through different reps, how you would like to do it. But right now we're working on our step. Okay, so we're rolling that ball out, we're working on our step, coming to the elbow, just knocking that shot down. Remember, on the left side of the court, when you're facing the rim and you roll that basketball out, you're gonna have that left foot step in, leading with the right. If you're right-handed, if you are left-handed, you are also actually going to come in with that right foot and then step with the left and then knock it down. Okay, then it's vice versa. Same thing on the right side. We're going to step in with that right foot, and then when you come in with your left foot, you come in with that right, shifting your body, catching and turning with the left. All right, so that's going to be your inside plant for your jump shot. Today, let's make 7 on each side, and then we're going to go into 3-point shooting. I know you guys love it. Okay, well, that's what we're going to end with. Okay, with 3-point shooting, we're going to dribble up, knock some threes down. Just make 3 on each side of the wing, top, and the 3. And then don't forget, we are going to do our around the world shooting. This is more on the 3-point end, and we just step to the side on each 3. So you shoot the 3, you just come over, shoot the 3, come over, shoot the 3, and you get about 25-ish shots on this. We're not going to go all the way back around. We're just going to go around one time. And then you know what? You're done. You're done today, guys. That's it. That's basketball you for you. Hey, appreciate you guys for coming through like always. Remember, you got to be in shape and you got to be in the best shape. Don't ask yourself why not, but do ask yourself this, and do remember this. Okay? Someone's always working. Are you?